Hey everyone, welcome to my studio.
Off with his head, I say. It's time to separate St. Luke's head from the background. Elements that I would like to add to this mosaic before I get to going on the flames, and one is there should be a cross here, a lily here, and a sword coming through here. So I'm going to add those things next. Here's a photo of a previous Two Hearts mosaic that I did as a commission, and you can see these elements and how I handled them in a previous mosaic. So this time around I've swapped the two hearts and it'll be a little bit different. about to head out of town and I want to finish this banner before I leave. So here we go. Just finished the lettering and it is a little bit messy, but I can't really clean it up now because the thinset is still pretty soft underneath. I need to wait until it hardens up a bit and then I can come back and scrape off and wipe off some of this thinset that has gotten on top of the glass. In the meantime, I had wrapped this with plastic wrap and went ahead and put this mosaic part right next to it, and I separated it and it's no problem. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this on here because I will need it for when I do this portion of the wing and the sky on that side. But the plastic wrap was a tip from a viewer and it's worked rather well, so I'm gonna keep using it. I'm here in Florida visiting my in-laws, and I know that I needed some glass to teach my classes. And you know how hard it is to find stained glass that you can shop for in person? Well, I found a shop that's close to where my in-laws live, and I'm gonna take you inside and take a look and see what they have. It's a pretty small mom and pop joint, so they sell stained glass, they teach some classes, and they have a little bit of supply that I can look through in person and pick some out for my students. That's it. So there they are in the back, and I'm gonna go back there and look through the glass. They have a lot of stained glass panels and lampshades and just all kinds of things. Mirror pieces. So this is really nice. He's got some scrap bins that I can go through, and I'll pull out some of the, or less translucent glass, some of the more opaque pieces I'll pick out and bring to the classroom. So nice to just see the glass in person and pick it out by hand.
It's not going to come in. You never get what you order if you order it without seeing it. It just doesn't work that way.
Yeah.
Because it's all different.
There's the corner with the really pretty bullseye and whatnot. Show you what I got at the glass shop. I bought a few things for myself in this bag, and one was this really pretty glass with some adventurine green, which is a little bit almost like a glitter to it. It's very pretty. It's fusible. This is COE 90 if I really wanted to fuse it. Not sure what I'll use it for, but it was just too pretty to resist. And I got this piece of purpley blue, which is beautiful. You know I love greens and blues. I got some bright green, some regular green. This one, that's like a blue-green mix. It's absolutely beautiful. And then I bought myself some bright yellow so I could make some more sunflowers. And there's another piece of yellow in here. So I didn't get too much glass for me. I didn't really need glass, but it was hard to resist. So now I'm going to show you what I got for my students, and I'll just take each one out. I got about a square foot of each of these. They weren't a bad price. Yellow. And some orange. Just really need some hot colors. And this one was very unusual. It's green, but it's got some streaks of orange in there, so very interesting. It's called Aqua Opal Clear Peach. And this one, which also has a flamingo color in it. Some solid green. Can always use that. Blue. I got some odd cuts. Like this iridized white. This blue purple. Sky blue, which we always need, I feel like. Look at this beautiful blue. It's a little bit dirty, but it's so gorgeous. Different sky blue, more blue. Some solid red, sort of a burgundy, very deep color. Some oranges, just like that one broke. Brown. We need this for trunks and whatever. This is a nice background color, this beige. More of that background color. And some more greens. And it might be the same glass, but it's got a lot of variation to it. See? Isn't that cool? I think this one is also iridized. Yeah, look at that. That's really pretty. And then there's more white iridized on the bottom. And then I had that box of scrap, and that's it. Right here is where things began to go sideways. I was packing things back up for our road trip. My husband came out to chat with me. I had the keys in the trunk, and then I shut the trunk with the keys in the trunk. And my husband said, "Can I have the keys, please?" That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.